You see this thing I have on my hands here. This can be the solution to your facial problems. This can be the only thing you need to use on your face to actually transform your skin. But a lot of you are neglecting this because it's not expensive, because it's not in a fancy container, because influencers are not talking about it everywhere. You are not going to buy it. You are going to neglect it and say it's just rose water. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you 5 skin conditions that this rose water can actually help you to treat. This is one of the most affordable skincare products. Now, who is today's video for? Today's video is for you that you are on a budget. You are looking for things that are going to work for your skin. It's also for people who have wasted money buying expensive products, yet they did not work for their skin. They did not get the result they are looking for. It's also for people who need something natural. You have used a lot of things that have irritated your skin. Now you are leaning towards natural, organic things that are soothing, healing, brightening, yet very effective. Today's video is also for you. Lastly, you want to use something that has no repercussion. You want to use something that has no repercussion. There is no do's and don'ts. You can use it 5 times in a day if you want. Today's video is for you. Who is the first person that can use rose water? The very first skin condition I want to talk about, that if you have it, consider getting rose water and adding it to your routine, is those of you that have sunburn. See, if you have sunburn, it is okay to go and start buying ceramide, changing your moisturizer, changing your soap. All of those things, they all work. Just like I say, if you're on a budget, and you get sunburn, your face is red, buy rose water and start using it on your face. Please and please and please, I am begging you. These things are very, very cheap. Some things are so cheap that you can't even believe that they do the things that it said that they do. For example, I was talking to a client, somebody, one of you that came to me for personal skin consultation. She was like, Jenny, I'm not on a budget. Blah, blah, blah. Tell me the best products. Because the products I told her to get, we are cheap to her. Some products don't need to be expensive before they work, but some people, you rate a product based by the price. Because the product is like 45k, you buy it with high expectations, and then by the time you use it, it's not working. That's why a lot of you get frustrated with skincare, because you bring out a lot of money and buy particular product that has been hyped, but it doesn't give you the desired result. But you see all of these ones that are neglected, some of them, not a lot of them, not a lot of cheap products work. Do you understand? But there are some things that are very, very affordable that still get the job done. Now, if you have red sunburn, like your sunburn is still very, very fresh, what are you going to do? Discontinue your lightening ingredients, like the lightening things you have in your skincare routine. Buy this and get a spray. Because it doesn't have a spray bottle, it's not so convenient using like this. But even at that, you can just neglect that. Open this thing after washing your face with a soap. Open this thing, pour it into your hand. Dab it that place morning and night. Dab it and use a normal face moisturizer. By the time you do this between 3 to 5, 7 days, that redness will disappear. And if you are even someone that did this on time, like when you saw the sunburn was when you use this red water, was when you use this rose water, trust me, that sunburn is not going to get pigmented. A lot of you have dark sunburn now because you neglected that redness you are seeing on your face because you didn't know what to do. So share this video right now to anybody, like to your contact, because this video is going to help a lot of people. Rose water is very affordable. If you can't buy expensive toners, this is what is going to give you similar results. Do you understand? Now, the second skin issue that rose water can help you to treat is skin irritation. Those of you that have used a lot of exfoliating products, you use salicylic acid, glycolic acid, lactic acid, malic acid, mandelic acid, all the acids, you use it, both the ones you know, the ones you don't know. Some of you, your face routine is filled with acids and you don't even know. Your vitamin C serum can have 2 exfoliants. Your face cream can have 2 exfoliants. Your serum can have 2 exfoliants. You are using all of these things morning and night without actually knowing that you are destroying your skin barrier. Now, let's say at the end of the day, your face starts itching you. You are that person that your skin is itching you. It is a sign that your skin barrier is beginning to be compromised. What are you going to do in this condition? Look at your products. Which one has excessive actives? Leave it for some time. Give it a break. Use your rose water as your toner. After washing your face again, I prefer using this as a spray. I am personally still looking for a spray bottle to actually pour some and keep the rest. It's more convenient. After washing your face, let your face dry up. Spray it all over your face and your neck. Allow it to dry. You can repeat this process like 3 times because this is water. The more you use, for me, I like to use it a lot. So spray it, dab it into your skin, allow it to dry. Spray it again, allow it to dry, like dab it into your. See, one of the reasons why I like some very natural things is you can use more without getting scared, without being scared of maybe preservatives, chemicals, and no, this you can use it as frequent as you want without having any reaction. So this is the second people or group of people that I'm going to recommend rose water for. The third people that I'm going to recommend face toner for are people that don't have any skin issues, but you're on a budget and you know that you need a face toner, but you cannot afford Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella face toner. You cannot afford Aquel. You cannot afford Good Molecules toner. All those toners that are like 25k and above, you can't afford it. Please, my dear, go and buy rose water and have peace of mind, because this is going to help to do same thing that those products are going to do for you if you keep it consistent in your routine. It is going to brighten your face. It is going to suit your skin. It is going to prevent your skin from having any irritation. It is going to personally hydrate your skin. This is a very good face toner. A lot of people use this, and this is the secret to their smooth face. Now, the fourth skin issue that this particular product can help you to treat is uneven skin tone. You see that time when, if you look at your skin, take time and look at your skin is fair and dark at the same time. It might not even be very visible when someone looks at you from far, but when you pick up the mirror and look at yourself, you are seeing this discoloration on your skin. This can help to balance out your skin tone, because this has natural rose extracts. Like, this is distilled water with rose. Like, I don't need to explain the process of production, but rose is a gentle skin brightener. It elevates your skin. Do you understand? So that uneven skin tone you are experiencing, simply using this as your face toner morning and night, spraying it religiously on your face the way I explained, this is going to help you with uneven skin tone. Lastly, people that want to brighten out their skin without bleaching. Your face is darker than your body. Your face and your neck is darker, and you are a dark skin person, you are a caramel skin person. You don't want anything bright, not this vitamin C, like all of these things. Anytime you use it, it's either it's giving you discoloration or it is brightening your face, taking you away from your skin color, original skin complexion. Get rose water and use it the way I have explained. For all skin conditions, it is the same method of usage. What is the method? Spraying it on your face, but spray it in great quantity. Like for me, I like using it in 3 steps. Spray it once, use your hands and dab it on your face and on your neck. Allow it to dry in. Spray it again. It's actually fun to do. I like to do it. Spray it again, dab it again into your skin, give it some time to sip in, and spray it again. This doesn't take time because it's water. It literally just dries into your skin. Spray it again for the 3rd time. Then you can continue with your routine. Go in with your serum, your face moisturizer, your sunscreen for if it's daytime. Do you understand? But what I'm trying to say is this is a multi-purpose product. It's going to do a lot of things for you. Even those of you having breakouts, you have acne-prone skin, you have oily skin. This is something that works for everybody. You have dry skin, or you have combination skin, or you are fair, you are yellow, you are white, you are green, you are red. You can use this and get very good, results from using it. Just be consistent with it. Okay? Even those days in your routine that you want to take a break, like especially for people that have sunburn, people that have sunburn, people that have skin irritation. Some people would say you don't use any product, those faces, so your skin will heal. Now, instead of totally not applying anything on your skin, because that can be dangerous. I never give such advice. Don't use anything on your face because you have skin irritation. That's a very deadly advice. Because that thing you are seeing, that if it stops, the repercussion is in the future waiting for you. So if you're having a skin irritation, you stop using what you are using, but look for something else that is mild, to use. And that thing that is mild you can use can be simply rose water. If you're someone that stays at home or works from home, you can just keep this and be spraying it on your face as often as you can. The more often you spray it during the day, that is for people that have sunburn and people that have skin irritation, like itching on the skin. They like, don't, after having your bath, don't apply any cream, just spray it. As you just walk and pass it, take it again and spray it, and that bit. By the time you do it like 2-3 days using only rose water, that redness will come down, that itching, all of those things, they will all disappear. Skincare is not as hard as it's made to be. It's not hard. It's just you that is looking for, it's following TikTok recommendations and all of those things. Do you understand? So that is all I have to tell you in today's video. I believe you already know me. I am Beautiful Jenny, a passionate skincare consultant who is just here to help you to achieve a glowing skin on a budget, or at least with the right products. If you are going to spend money, why not spend money, buy products that you need, and also knowing what your skin wants and also defining what you want for your skin. There are a lot of things involved in actually getting a good skin. Some people, you don't actually know what you're chasing. At the end of the day, you buy products that are not going to give you a good result. So that's why I'm here. I have several videos, and that's why I have my personal skin consultation. For those of you that want to talk to me personally, you can reach out to me, the number on the screen, for a personal skin consultation and product recommendation. Okay, so that's all I have to tell you in today's video. If you have questions, if you have used rose water before, please leave your testimonies in the comment section. It is going to help a lot of people. Okay, so thank you. I'm going to see you on any of these videos right here and also on WhatsApp.